Let's freaking do this. Okay. Instructions. Okay. So, I have to wash my face and then use a steam towel to open up my pores and then apply the mask and then remove after 15 minutes. Let's do this. So I just put some water to boil because I need to heat up my face basically. But I'm very thoughts before this. I'm excited. I've seen the videos. I see that it hurts, but I'm gonna say it. I don't think it's gonna hurt that much. Like all honestly, I don't think it's gonna hurt that much. We'll see. I got gnarly pores going on right now. This guy is having a blast on my face. I think I can just pour this hot kettle into the sink and let the steam just hit my face. Ooh, ooh, you see that? Here goes. Ah! Ooh! Well, that's it for the steam, I guess, I suppose. There's no more water in this kettle. They look open. They're open. They're open. Okay. So this is it. Oh. It feels like a regular mud mask, to be honest. It smells really nice. Like, it's not a very strong scent, but it's like a clean scent. It is making my eyes water, so that's kind of weird. Like a lot. It like you know when you put like Vicks under your nose or something like that, like vapor rub. Like it's making my eyes water like that. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna go there. That's it right there. Got lucky. Cause it's too close to my hair and I'm not taking any chances for no YouTube video. Or even without the YouTube video, I'm not taking chances. It's time. It looks really shiny, but it feels matte. Okay, I know I talked a lot of big shit. No, I'm actually really scared. Okay, let's start at the chin. Okay, it's already not that bad. Okay, that was so easy. Oh my god. This is so easy. Maybe I did this wrong. How could I do this wrong? This is so easy. Okay. Let's take this part off because I'm gonna end up eating it. Okay. Oh, there it goes. Oh. That was extremely disappointing. Not because it was a bad product, but like, it didn't hurt. I don't know. Well, there goes nothing. I definitely did something wrong. This should have hurt. This should have hurt. Something should have happened. How did I do this so wrong? Maybe everyone's a fucking puss and I'm just the baddest bitch of them all. Yeah, I'm gonna try again because I picked up my nose. As you can tell, it's a bit red, but definitely took some pores out that the mask should have been gotten. So I'm gonna try again and we're gonna see. Okay, I just hella steamed my face, so it's gotta work this time. It gotta. Okay, new location because I've been waiting in my bed for this shit to dry, but I think it's dry. I did it more thickly, so it should work. This shit doesn't hurt. Oh my god, I'm so disappointed. At least you can like hear something. I don't know. It just doesn't hurt. I'm so sorry. I don't know what I did wrong. Whatever. Goodbye.